I'm going to show you 2 ways of making a beeswax wrap. A sticky one for covering things to go in the fridge, and a flexible one that you can use for just covering plates and platters, but that also can be used to make little pouches for sandwiches and snacks. This is how I do it. Break up the beeswax as best you can. You can use a bag and a rolling pin. I'm using a mortar and pestle. Smaller pieces are much easier and quicker to melt. Pop this into a saucepan full of water, and then we're going to simmer it until all of this is melted together. It's going to need a stir from time to time, so use an old knife to do that. The fabric that we're going to use for beeswax wraps needs to be 100% cotton. I'm using patchwork squares because they're a standard size and they're really easy to work with. I've washed them to get the dressing out and dried them. You can use old sheeting, old pillow slips, or recycle old cotton shirts. My beeswax mixture's all melted now. Doesn't need to be very even because you're going to disperse the mixture using the heat of the iron. Once you've coated all of your fabric, cut it into the sizes and shapes that you want. Some of them you'll probably want to leave as wraps. I want some sticky ones as well. So to make a sticky wrap, I'm going to use some extra pine rosin. So this gives it the tack. So I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit of crushed pine rosin onto there. Cover it. And melt that pine rosin onto your wrap.